I am Swami Vishwanand. I am as a director of personnel motivator advisor of US American based companies group known as Sri Rang Group. Our head office is in the New York near head office of United Nations organization. Our founder and chairman is Bhadresh Bhai Ramolia. He is very kind and noble person. He is hard working person. He is a great vision for the world. He has established this company's group and he is running this company's group not only for profit but he is also the providing the peace, harmony, brotherhood in the world. He want to spread these noble causes in the world, and he is also the great visionary for development, business and trade, international business and trade in the world. In the critical position of coronavirus, now we are rendering some services from the Sri Rang group in the world. He always think to serve this mankind. So during the coronavirus situations, company group is providing these types of services to the poor and needy people. Our company is providing full salaries to all our employees during the lockdown periods. We are paying full salary to our employees. As linen supplier, rental businesses, we are providing 25% of goods and services free of charges to the hospitals, medical and clinical facilities in USA and needy countries. I am also the peace ambassador of many spiritual, religion and social NGOs. Those are registered and recognized by United Nations organizations. Now I am appointed as a mother of the world by the God, Allah, Paramatma and Supreme Soul. As a chairman and founder chairman of Planet Union is the platform which by this platform now we are playing a great and role with this Sri Rang Group companies as a system concern. We are working together. Sri Rang Group companies is our system concern with Planet Union. We are working together for establishing peace in the world. By company group is providing the free food to needy people in many countries, especially in South Asian countries during these coronavirus situations. For the developing international trade and business, our company group is providing food and necessary living materials to the employees in the industrial zones also. By 10 crores peace-loving people's forces with Planet Union and this company group, we are guiding people to stay where they can stay in the shelter houses which are built by many governments in many countries. We also guide to the people how they can maintain the social distancing and which places they can get raw foods and cooked foods in their country. We have given our mobiles numbers of peace loving peoples in each and every countries. We have given the contact number. We linked with governments guidelines and their control room also. We also providing the prepared food and to poor people and needy people, together with many spiritual religions, organizations and many NGOs in the world. These services we are providing to the society through social workers, churches, temples, gurudwaras, mosques, Senegals, Agyari, Jain temples, gurudwaras, Buddhist temples, and Baha'is meditation centers. Ultimately, our company's goal and Planet Union's goals is same. We want to win and defeat the coronavirus from the world as early as possible. Just our services to mankind are our social responsibilities. We know that we earn from societies, so we must use our earning money to the society as the critical and harmonious situation of the societies in the needy time. We must use this profit. So these are our humble duties, which are our duties, and our company groups and Planet Unions are performing these noble duties to the mankind. We are not obliging to the societies and mankind, but it is our humble responsibility and duties, so that we are performing at the dangerous situation of the world due to coronavirus. We have confidence that Almighty Supreme Soul, Almighty Supreme God, Allah, Paramatma, Rabb is with us. We will defeat this coronavirus from the world as early as possible. We seek your cooperation and your love from entire the world. God bless, God bless, God bless.